This is a tutorial on the differences between pre-registration and registration, terms associated with each, dashboards, and the timing of when to use these two registration methods. While logging in, think about where we are in the advising and registration cycle. Pre-registration happens when Unitime is running nightly simulations. During this time, advisors, schedule deputies, and registrar staff are problem solving. Nightly solver simulation results are found in the batch dashboard. Data in the batch dashboard is not live. After the final batch is run and schedules are released to students, we move to open registration. All data is transferred over to the online dashboard. Here, data is live. You can see the results of students moving in and out of sections, dropping and adding courses in real time. When you hear terms such as course requests, batch dashboard, status window, and nightly simulations, you know that we are talking about pre-registration. When you hear terms such as scheduling assistant, online dashboard, time ticket and PIN, you know that we are talking about registration and open registration. Only students who have submitted a course request form will show up the following day in the batch dashboard. During pre-reg, it's helpful to think of the nightly simulations as a reshuffling of the deck of all of the course requests that have been submitted. Results you see after night 1 very well may not be the results you will see at the end of the simulations. And this is one reason why students are not allowed to see simulation results, because it can change from night to night. To see all of your students, those who have submitted a CRF as well as those who have not yet submitted, use the online dashboard. Updated pre-registration calendars can be found at purdue.edu/registrar and then click on the side menu Pre-registration. Under Calendars, Important Dates and Timelines for Students and Advisors lists the current calendars.